Guys failed to login error. 1. Check and troubleshoot your internet connection. 2. Run your launcher as admin. Right-click, run as admin. Like this. 3. Disabling antivirus and Windows Defender, antivirus. 4. Verify your game file in Steam or Epic Games Launcher. 5. Uninstall and then reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. 6. Check Fall Guys server status at https://twitter.com/fallguysgame. 7. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. Update your network drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 9. Check then reset date and time. 10. Uninstall then reinstall the game. 11. For more info, follow https://support.fallguys.com/hc/n-us/article/41668102273 -20-001-or-stuck-on-loading-screen. Failed to login. Please check your connection 200_001 or stuck on loading/connecting, black screen.